You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, including from Spanish. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Yet this means mommy, and that's how you say mommy, as in mother in Spanish. Mama, mama. The accent on the second A means that there is a stress on that second syllable, so it's not mama. That would be more Italian. Mama is Spanish for mummy, mama. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more vocabulary and correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.